Very good morning to all. In the cloud security, we will discuss here security management in the cloud. In the security management in the cloud, how we can manage the security in the cloud. So two things are here. First is importance of security in the cloud. So what is the importance of security in the cloud? The main aim of this topic is to familiarize students with the basic concept of the importance of security in the cloud. At the end of this session, they should know the importance of security in the cloud. Security is paramount in the cloud due to the unique challenges and risks associated with cloud computing. Cloud services offer numerous benefits such as scalability, flexibility, and cost effectiveness, but they also introduce new security considerations. Here are some key reasons why security is crucial in the cloud. So in the next slide we will discuss about that. So here different parameters are given here. First parameter is data protection. In data protection, how we will protect data into the cloud. So for that, cloud provider hosts vast amount of data including sensitive information from individuals and organizations. Ensuring these data confidentiality, integrity and availability is vital to prevent breaches and data losses. Next thing is compliance. Many industries and regions have specific regulatory requirements for data protection, privacy and security. Cloud users must comply with these regulations, making it essential to implement security measures that meet these standards. The next thing is shared responsibility. In a cloud environment, security is a shared responsibility between the cloud service provider and the customer. The cloud service provider is responsible for the security of the cloud infrastructure, while customers are responsible for securing their data and applications. Failing to understand this shared responsibility can lead to vulnerabilities. Next thing is data breaches. Cloud data breaches can be catastrophic, resulting in financial losses, reputational damage, and legal consequences. Securing data in cloud is critical to prevent unauthorized access, data theft, and exposure to sensitive information. Next parameter is access control. Cloud environments are accessible from anywhere with an internet connection, which increases the risk of unauthorized access because everyone can access that particular data. So, implementing robust access control, authentication, and authorization mechanism is essential to prevent unauthorized users from accessing resources. Next parameter is multi-tenancy. Cloud services are often multi-tenant. What is the meaning of multi-tenant here? Meanings multiple customers are sharing the same physical infrastructures. Multiple customers share the same physical infrastructure. So, this shared environment can introduce security risks such as potential for data leakage or cross-tenant attack, which need to be addressed. The next thing is distributed nature. Cloud services are distributed across various geographical locations. This complexity can make maintaining a consistent and effective securing posture challenging, making centralized security control and monitoring crucial. Next thing is evolving threat landscape. Cyber threats are attack techniques are constantly evolving. Cloud security measures must adapt to these changes, requiring ongoing monitoring, threat detection, and incident response capabilities. Next is data backup and recovery. How we can take the data backup and how we can recover that particular data from the cloud. So in that, cloud users often rely on the providers for data backup and recovery. Ensuring that data can be reliably restored and protected against data loss or corruption is essential for business continuity. Scalability and elasticity. So what is the role of scalability and elasticity? In this, The cloud scalability and elasticity enable resources to be easily provisioned or deprovisioned. While this flexibility is an advantage, it also means that security measures need to scale dynamically to meet changing demands. The next parameter is Identity and Access Management (IAM). Effective IAM policies and practices are crucial to control and audit users' access to resources in the cloud. Misconfigured IAM setting can lead to data exposure and unauthorized activity. The next thing is security monitoring and response. Continuous monitoring, intrusion detection, and incident response are essential for identify and mitigate security threats and vulnerabilities promptly. So in summary, we can say that in the cloud security in the cloud is indispensable because of unique challenges and risks associated with the cloud computing. Organizations must prioritize security to protect their data, maintaining regulatory compliance and safeguard against evolving threats in this dynamic and distributed computing environment. Cloud security is a collection of procedures and technology designed to address external and internal threat to business security. Organizations need cloud security as they move towards their digital transformation strategy and incorporate cloud-based tools and services into their infrastructure. So this was the first thing. The next thing is importance of PAAS, IAAS and SAAS. So what are the importance of these three components? In the next topic, we will discuss about the importance of all these three components. So what is the main aim of these three components? So the main aim of this component is to familiarize students with the basic concept of importance in PAAS, IAAS and SAAS. At the end of this session, they should be able to know the importance of all these three components. So in the session descriptions, we will tell about these three components. All these three fundamental models in cloud security offering users different services levels and capabilities. Each model plays a unique role and holds its importance in cloud security. Here I will give brief overview of the significance of these three components. The first is platform as a services. Platform as a services provide a platform and environment for developers to build, deploy and manage applications. It abstracts the underlying infrastructure, operating system and runtime environment, allowing developers to focus on application deployment rather than infrastructure management. So the main importance of PAAS lies in its ability to streamline the development process, reduce time to market and enable scalability. Developers can leverage pre-built tools, libraries and framework offered by PAAS provider, reducing the need of extensive setup and configuration. So PAAS also facilitate collaboration among team members by providing a shared development environment. So in the PAAS, it provides a platform or environment for developer to build, deploy and manage applications without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. It offers a complete development and deployment framework including tools, libraries and runtime environment. So key activities of PAAS includes first application development, second deployment and scaling, third database management and fourth collaboration. In application development, PAAS offers a range of development tools and framework to create web and mobile applications. And in deployment scaling, PAAS platform handle to deployment and scaling of applications automatically, providing an efficient and scalable infrastructure. And in the database management, PAAS often includes managed database services, allowing developers to store and retrieve data easily. So they can retrieve their data easily. And in the collaboration phase, PAAS facilitates collaboration among development team by providing shared development environments and version control systems. What are the examples of PAAS? In the examples, they will provide Google App Engine, Microsoft Azure, Cloud Services and Heroku. So in these components, Heroku is a cloud platform that allows developers to build, deploy and manage applications easily. And in the Google App Engine, a fully managed serverless platform for deploying for developing and hosting web applications. And the third one example is Microsoft Azure App Services, a PaaS offering that enables developers to build and deploy web, mobile and API applications. Next example, Salesforce App Cloud, a platform that provides tools for building and deploying enterprise cloud applications. And the next one is IBM Cloud Foundry. In this, an open sources of PaaS that allow developers to deploy and scale application across multiple cloud providers. The next component is infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure as a service offers virtualized computing resources over the internet, including virtual machines, storage and networking capabilities. It provides users with flexibility to create and manage their own virtualized infrastructure without the need to invest in physical hardware. The significance of IAAS lies in its scalability, cost effectiveness and resource management capabilities. Users can rapidly provision and scale resources based on their environment, paying only for their consumed resources. So, infrastructure as a service enable business to avoid upfront infrastructure cost, easily handle spikes in demand and have greater control over their infrastructure configuration. So, it provides virtualized computing resources over the internet. It offers on-demand access to virtual machines, storage and networking infrastructure. So, different key activities of IaaS includes: one is virtual machine management, second one is storage and backup, third one is network management and fourth is server management. In a virtual machine management, it allows users to create, manage and control virtual machines. And in storage and backup, it allows storage solutions user to store and retrieve data efficiently. And in the network management, it's offer load balancing, firewalls and VPNs. In server management, it's provide the control over the operating systems, applications and configuration of virtual machines. So different examples are given here. First example is AWS, second is Microsoft Azure, second is Google Cloud Platform, third is DigitalOcean and fourth one is Oracle Cloud Infrastructures. So all in these, AWS comprehensive cloud platform offer a wide range of computing, storage and networking services. Microsoft Azure platform provide virtual machines, storage and networking capability. Google Cloud Platform provide virtual machines, storage and data analytics. DigitalOcean offer scalable virtual machines and storage option, and Oracle Cloud Infrastructures provide infrastructure services such as computing, storage and networking. The next thing, third thing is the software as a services, SaaS. So software as a services delivers software applications over the internet on a subscription basis, eliminating the needs of users to install, maintain and update the software locally. SaaS applications are centrally hosted and managed by the service provider. The importance of SaaS lies in its accessibility, easy to use and cost effectiveness. Using various devices, users can access SaaS application from anywhere with an internet connection. So SaaS eliminates the need for software installation and maintenance, reducing upfront cost and IT overhead. It also ensures that users always have access to the latest version of the software as the provider applies updates and patches centrally. So, in the conclusion, we can say that over the internet on subscription basis, SaaS provides better output. So, user can access and use the application through a web browser and thin client without local installation or infrastructure management. So different key activities are included in this application. One is application access, second is application management, user management, data storage and retrieval. So in application access, it's allow user to access and uses software applications. In application management, it maintain, update, security on different parameters. And in user management, it provides user authentication, access control and administrative features. And in data storage and retrieval, it's manage the storage and retrieval of user data, often offering data backup and recovery options also. Salesforce, Google Workspace, Microsoft Office 365, Dropbox, Slacks, all these are the examples. So in Salesforce, a cloud-based CRM platform, it helps business manage customers interaction and sales process. Second one is Google Workspace. It's provide collaborations tools including Gmail, Google Drive, Docs, Sheets and more. In Office Microsoft 365, its productivity application include Word, Excel, PowerPoint and Outlook. Dropbox, through the Dropbox we can synchronize the file services, and in the Slack we can collaborate and communicate platform that provide different channels, messaging and integrations with other tools. So all these was the part of cloud security, how we can manage data in the cloud security. Thank you very much. Thanks all of you.